guys, this cat approached in our house because it got, we put it there and there. But balik-balik dana din balik siya dana. Ug nag-hear siya dana, and our dog is barking. Oh, yes. Yeah. My mom tries to put it there and there, and my mom said, ang tiring. Ring. Tito. Tito, sige siya po lagyan, oh. Tito, sige, ani i-ring Dani again. Sige, Apple. Yes. Why are you here again? I told you to go here. Tito, sige siya. Dani again. Tito. Huh?
Ilabay ito.
Dili. Guys, I need to put this cup here. For the advice. I'll stay it. Here you go. Okay, guys.
I'm gonna kill that kid.
Don't
Kill them.
No! Don't kill him! Her, I don't know that. Don't! Don't kill that. Don't kill that girl. Guys, he's gonna kill him. Girl siya? He's a cat.
He wants you.
Apa, sige. Yeah. Guys,
What? I'm gonna report you to the police.
Dili ko sa gate mama ko.
wait pa, mag-lighter.
Dili pagkuha sa
Lighter? Guys,